Why our mortgage rates are so finicky right now? With the latest inflation reports, it is no wonder why mortgage rates are so finicky lately and breaking the rules. Hi, I'm Suma Sridhar, the real estate broker in the Bay Area. First of all, let us remember inflation is the key reason that rates are as high as they are right now. In theory, if inflation falls back, then mortgage rates should follow. However, with the latest consumer price index reports, inflation was up again at 3.2% in July, slightly higher than in June. This has caused rates to take a jump in recent weeks. According to Realtor.com, mortgage rates have been increasing back and forth in the 6 to 7% range for the past several months, with the most recent forecast predicting the average 30-year fixed rate to close out the year at around 6.6%. Most experts are predicting a bumpy road for the remainder of the year and into the beginning of 2024. But let us remember, rather than worry about mortgage rates, as a buyer, focus on what you can control. There are still plenty of options available when shopping for a loan. Reach out to my team and me so that we can help to strategize your next move. Once again, I am Suma Sridhar, the real estate broker in the Bay Area with the tradition of excellence and integrity. I love what I do and people love what I do. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.